In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider on a Squarespace website. We're going to create an image section, turn it into a slideshow, and then adjust a few simple settings so it looks and behaves the way you want. This is a great option if you want to showcase multiple images in one area without taking up too much space on the page. To begin, we'll go to the area of your Squarespace page where you want the slider to appear and click Add Section. This lets you insert a brand new section into your site layout. Once the section library opens, choose Images. This will show you an image-based section layouts that can be used as a starting point for your slider. Next, select a template. At this stage, the exact design is not the most important thing because you'll be able to customize the content and change the gallery behavior afterward. Just choose a layout that fits the general style you want for your page. Once the section has been added, click Edit Gallery. This is where you manage the images that appear inside the section. You can remove the default image or images that came with the template and then upload your own. If you want the slider to feel polished, try using images with similar dimensions and quality so the slideshow looks smooth and consistent as it moves from one slide to the next. After replacing the existing images with your own, click Close to exit the gallery editor. Then click Edit Section to open the full settings panel for that section. This is where you'll change the section from a static gallery into a slider. Inside the section settings, click the current gallery type. A list of display options will appear. From that list, choose Slideshow. Simple. This changes the section so your images display one at a time as a slider instead of all at once. After that, click Captions. If you want to control how text appears with your images. Depending on your design, captions can help provide context, but if you prefer a cleaner and more visual look, you can keep things minimal here. Next, click Autoplay to enable the slideshow to move through the images automatically. This is useful if you want the slider to feel more dynamic without requiring visitors to click through manually. Finally, adjust the slide duration. This setting controls how long each image stays on screen before moving to the next one. A slightly slower duration can make the content easier to absorb, while a faster one can create a more energetic feel. Choose a timing that matches the pace of your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a slider to your Squarespace website and customized the basic slideshow settings to fit your design.